Well, they say if you have a problem with a lawyer, you need another lawyer. Well, if you have a problem with a scope, you need another scope. So again, looking at the sensitivity of the position of where this spot could be, listen, if I move a few millimeter away, there is nothing. So I have to find a very tight spot, something like 1 centimeter square where it goes. If I go deeper, disappear almost. So it's a very small area, but it's probably next to the first stage of analog amplifier. But anyway, that's maybe on Dave teardown of the 800 we could see something there. But anyway, I don't worry about that. I will just put my Wi-Fi dongle away for on the other side. I was putting it always like this, so I didn't saw anything unless I put it somewhere here. So if I put it anywhere else, it will be gone. But let's do something with the old scope using an RF probe. That's the cheapest pack from Amazon, and believe it or not, they were broken except one. Basically, they were missing the trace. It's a simple loop, and the missing central trace, I replace it with a wire wrap that I've soldered to the end of the loop. You could look on it, and the single trace goes from the loop at the top left, and it goes to the signal. So there was no trace there, so of course it was not working. But it's a quick fix. The thing that I miss is some kind of a insulating paint, but other than that, we could look at what is broadcasted by this signal. If I could find a tight spot, I have to reduce the sensitivity, put the trigger somewhere, so it's about here. So if I put it about this tight spot, about, let's say here, yeah, there. That's the maximum intensity that I could get. This corresponds to the Wi-Fi antenna itself. If I move a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, it goes almost away. So it's a very tight spot broadcasting from this Wi-Fi dongle. So lesson learned. Wi-Fi antenna is broadcasting in Wi-Fi.